Good Saturday morning, September 21st. Update on the construction site there. Looks like they're really finishing up the roads now and clearing out some of the debris. Have some more infrastructure being dug back there. Beautiful morning. See a little deer running alongside the road today. Like I said, they're putting the finishing stages on the roads here. I know last week we saw them seeding around the corner here. Yeah, it's starting to take root a little bit. Like I said, these are in the final stages where there's not a lot going on.